Good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here today. I will present our research title Hybrid Ensemble Model Approaches for Stock Price Forecasting using LSTM, Random Forest, ARIMA, and Linear Regression as Meta Learner. Stock price prediction is a highly complex task due to the volatile nature of financial markets. Traditional models like ARIMA often fail during unpredictable events such as COVID-19. Recent advancements in machine learning such as LSTM and random forest offer improvements, but each has its own strengths and limitations. This motivates us to propose a hybrid ensemble approach. Problem statement and objectives. The main challenge is how to accurately forecast stock prices while accounting for linear, nonlinear, and temporal patterns. Our objective are to build a hybrid ensemble model combining ARIMA, RF, and LSTM, implement a meta-learning strategy using linear regression, evaluate the model, and compare it against individual models. Literature review. Previous research shows that ARIMA works well for linear trends. Random forest excels at modeling nonlinear patterns, and LSTM captures temporal dependency. However, none of them alone is sufficient. Combining them in a hybrid ensemble, especially with a meta-learning component, offers potential for improved accuracy. Research methodology overview. We use quantitative approach. This process involves collecting stock price data, pre-processing it, implementing individual models, combining them in a hybrid structure, and evaluating the results. Dataset descriptions. We collected historical daily stock data from Yahoo Finance from 2010 to 2024. Five companies were chosen: Apple, Tesla, ExxonMobil, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan. These companies span multiple sectors for model generalizability. Data preprocessing. We handled missing values using interpolation and forward fill. Standardized the values, split the dataset 80 to 20, and applied time series decomposition to understand trends, seasonality, and noise.
And now we are going to discuss about our model implementation for each model. And now we are discussing our LSTM implementation. For LSTM, we implemented a two-layer LSTM model, and each layer has 64 units and trained for 20 epochs using Adam Optimizer and MSE loss. A look-back window of 30 days was used as input. And then the implementation of random forest. The purpose of random forest is to capture nonlinear relationship in the stock price data. And the model consisted of 100 decision trees. And we also included technical features such as SMA, MACD, and volatility were used as a feature as well. And then we also, for implementation of ARIMA was used to capture linear trends, and the model was set to 4, D, and 0, where the D is determined by using ADF tests. The strength of ARIMA is easy to interpret and effective for linear and seasonal pattern. The limitation of this model is that it lacks the strength to capture nonlinear and temporal dependency in the stock data. And the last is hybrid ensemble model. In the hybrid ensemble model, there are two level learners. The first level are the ARIMA, random forest, and LSTM. And the second level is the meta learner, which consists of linear regression that can learn all the past output from each model and then use them to weight the output of each model. Why do we use the hybrid version? The hybrid version outperforms all the individual model, and it can balance between interpretability and predictive power. And also, it can enhance better generalization across different stock behavior.
We evaluated the models using four metrics: MAA, RMSE, MAPE, and R square. Each metric provides insight into different aspects of prediction accuracy. Next. Okay, here are the results and findings. Next. Okay. Based on the results above, hybrid ensemble outperform all individual models on all over 5 stocks. Our hybrid model outperform all base models across all metrics. For example, the Apple reached an R square of 0.96. Arima consistently underperformed while LSTM and RF had mixed performance. Next. Okay, these charts show predicted versus actual closing price. The hybrid model closely follows actual price movement, even in volatile stocks like Tesla. Okay, based on the results and findings, the hybrid models consistently achieve loss error in terms of MAA, RMSE, and MAPE, and achieve the highest R-squared score. ARIMA show negative R-squared score on every stocks. This makes ARIMA model the most ineffective for volatile market. Random forest work relatively well on Tesla and XOM. LSTM show strong prediction power on AAPL and XOM, but surpassed by the hybrid ensemble model.
Mm.
The hybrid ensemble model performance demonstrates strong generalization across diverse stock types, effectively balanced linear or ARIMA, non-linear such as random forest, and temporal like LSTM components. Especially mundur dulu Ji. Nah, especially effective on volatile stocks such as Tesla and XOM. Arima has weak across all stocks due to the lack of adaptability. Random forest strong for short-term, low complexity trends. LSTM good on sequential patterns but requires more competition. Next. The role of meta learner for our case here is linear regression, enabled adaptive weighting of model outputs, improve overall prediction accuracy, and reduce error metrics. Next. Model performance on GS and GPM may indicate less predictable stock behavior, sector-specific noise or anomalies, and require different feature engineering. Okay. For conclusion, our hybrid ensemble model is effective in stock price forecasting. Next. Future work includes dynamic weighting using transformer or GNN and deploying in real-time settings. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening to our presentation.